Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 31st, 2021. I'm going to provide to you some details as to why there may be more pain to come in NIO. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I'm simply here to pay attention to what the market is doing with their own money. Because once you pay attention to that and you eliminate all the other noise that's in this space, you actually can begin to see where we're going to go. So welcome to HueFin. Hit that like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. We all appreciate the content that I am creating because you're not going to get this in plenty anywhere else. Everyone else wants you to pay attention to what Jerome Powell is saying. Everyone else wants you to pay attention to NIO Day. Everyone else wants you to pay attention to how many vehicles NIO delivered in the last quarter. Everyone else wants you to pay attention to the fundamental analysis as to what their earnings release and earnings per share is going to be in the next 5 years. Everyone else wants you to pay attention to the EMA, the SMA, the MACD, the stochastics, the RSIs, the Fibonacci retracements. They want you to pay to everything else, and you are still left holding the bag, and you are still left confused. Eliminate all of that noise and just pay attention to the price bars and the volume. Take a look. December the 4th was the last video I did in NIO. Take a look. Now, I was playing the weakness into the market in NIO at that particular time, telling you all, hey, yeah, I'm still seeing some weakness in the market in NIO. Now, take a look at this. Where did the buyers come in at? Right? Let me answer this question for me. Where did the buyers step into the market in NIO? Yes, can you not see that? They came in at $28. Plain and simple, right? Now, the question as to could we see more pain in NIO, it is more drawn out into time, right? I'm not saying that this is going to happen in 2 days or in weekly. I'm going to show you from a longer perspective how there is still weakness on the chart for NIO. So let's not get complacent and think that the market's going to shoot up to $100, right? Yes, I do know that there have been some other YouTubers trying to tell you that the price was going to hit $60 by the end of this year. Price going to hit $100 by the end of this year, and look at where we at right now in NIO, 32. All right, so pay attention to the price. Now, let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. If you guys are able to take that $28, that's around 12, almost 13% movement, and the downside for when I last told you. Now, if you did not take advantage of that move and you wanted to get out now, you're probably breaking around even, which is cool. You're not going to get every price prediction correct. You just need to get in a position for the next one. All right, so now take a look at this. I got this arrow right there. You see that? Yeah, I'm keeping my eyes on this gap because I'm anticipating that the price in NIO is going to try to come down to this gap and fill it. You guys don't understand how the market really works. The market is only here to be orderly and efficient. If you have gaps in the market, it creates a non-efficient market. It's not orderly. There haven't been any trades ever in the history of NIO since it's been traded on the stock exchange right here in between these price levels. So the market maker, the market specialist, or the one we term the trap, he's probably going to try to come back down and make this market because there's not a market there right now from a daily perspective. Now I'm going to keep that arrow there, okay, because I've been following the market in NIO since that time. Currently, you guys can see, zooming back in, what happened yesterday. Look at this. Very good price movement occurred into the market in NIO yesterday. 14, almost 15% profitability occurred into the market in NIO from this move. Right now, let me show you all the long term. This is the monthly chart. Okay, look at this. Now the question is, okay, cool. We've seen the price in NIO come down to $28. I want you all to see this on the volume. So we have the volume here. It's pretty heavier. The volume is heavier than what we saw the last 4 months. And then I want you all to look at this. The market is closing off of the lows. So what do you think is going on? Do you think sellers are controlling the market? Think that buyers are stepping in? Yeah, buyers are stepping in. I get it. I know from a monthly perspective, the buyers are here in the market in NIO. Cool. No issues about that. But it doesn't mean that the long-term perspective is over. Look at this on the 5-weekly time frame. This is where the weakness is. This current 5-weekly price bar lets us know that the sellers are not here right now. So yeah, we might get this small spat to where price in NIO goes up. I can see that. I've shown you the monthly. I've also shown this 5-weekly time frame. There's no selling going on in the market in NIO. which this is what the trap wants you to think, is that the selling is over and that this is the prime opportunity to come in and buy the market in NIO. Yeah, we understand his tricks. See this on the 3 weeks. Look at this. So we understand that momentarily, yeah, we can anticipate some higher prices in NIO. No issues about it. Look at this on the 6 months. This is a different story. This is on a 6-month time frame, 6 months worth of price action in NIO. We have 3 hours and 37 minutes left on this current 6-month price bar. Now, the prior 6 months, the market was a wash. We didn't have a definitive idea as to whether it's the buyers or the sellers controlling the market. Well, this 6 months price bar we do. The sellers are here controlling the market in NIO. Okay, look at this on the 12 months. This is from a 12-month perspective in NIO. Every price bar you see is 12 months worth of price action. Now, look at this current one. Today's the last day. And we're still seeing on this 12-month price bar, the price closing off of the highs. We're down here towards the lows of the 12-month time period. Now, we did see an opportunity for the market in NIO throughout this year to come up to $68. Cool. But we ended down there. It kind of lets us know that there's still some weakness here into the market in NIO. So, from a 12-month perspective, for 2022, what would be your expectations? Would you expect the market to continue to shoot up higher right now? Or would you expect the price to go down? Because understandably, charts don't lie. The market does not lie. And currently, the chart is telling us that the price in NIO is weak. Look at this on the 3 months, right? So yeah, from a longer term perspective, the market here in NIO is weak. It hasn't changed just yet. And you guys can see that we are banging our head right there around $32.50. Now, am I expecting the price to break above that? I am. But my eyes next is going to be around 36. Okay. That's going to be the next area that we can expect the price in NIO to try to come towards. I can even see it right here around $34.50 to 36. That's how high I can see the price in NIO going. Now, let me take this back over to the daily real quick. Okay. Because just for us to go to $34.50, it might not even be worth putting in a price prediction. So that's like another increase of about 7.5% for us to see the price go to 36. That's what, 12%? Can you see the price going there though? What do you think? So let me go ahead and do this prediction real quick. Now, just because I'm playing some strength into the market in NIO doesn't mean that we are smooth selling and we're going to hit $60 to $100, right? No, we got to break these areas here first. $34.50 to 36. Those are the two areas that I am paying attention to into the market in NIO. Now, we understand that $28 is where the buyer stepped in. So that has to be the support price for us to allow us to have the ability to go up. Okay. And that's about it. I'm not really all that bullish into the market in NIO. I've shown you the longer term time frames, the 12-month, the 6 months, the 3 months, and you all have seen how weak the market is from that time period. So at least you have to give the market that long to play in order for the price to continue to go down. Just because you saw the market in one day go up 15% doesn't mean that all of the selling is done. It doesn't mean that. As a matter of fact, it might be the opposite if you really understand what the market is trying to do. So I'm just going to play a little bit of strength on this chart right now. Just a little bit. $34.50, $36. And then from there, if I still see strength on the chart, then I will continue to go on with the higher movement. But if I still see weakness, then understand that what I talked about in this video, it is still on the table. All right. So now, real quick, drop me your price prediction as to what you think the market in NIO is going to do in the short term, meaning in the next 2 weeks, and then also in the long term. What is your price prediction in the next 3 to 6 months? What do you think the price is going to be? Because from my perspective, yeah, I'm still looking for the price to go down and eventually try to come to this gap. Now, it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.